Hi you guys, my name is Abby and I live in Japan. Today I'm going to show you guys how to play the song Stay With Me by Miki Matsubara. I was one of the people who saw the guy that really got popular playing it, and I really wanted to learn how to play it myself. I couldn't find the chords anywhere, and so I had to listen with my ear and figure them out for myself, and I'm going to share them with you today. First thing I'm going to do is play the song for you with the chords that I was able to figure out and lyrics. Futari utsureba, stay with me. 真夜中のドアを叩き帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前 The first chord that I play is a G major 7. Put your finger on the C, E, and A strings, second fret, and strum these 3 strings only. The second chord that I play is an E minor 7. I pick up my middle finger off the E string and strum these 3 strings only. My third chord is plucked. I could not find a name for this chord, but I move my finger on the A string down to fret 4 and I pluck the C and A string. The fourth chord that I play, I move my fingers up to an A9, so index finger will go to fret 1, C string, and ring finger will go to fret 2, A string, and I pluck those strings. The fifth chord that I play, I move my fingers to an A7, lifting my ring finger completely, leaving my index finger down. I pluck the C and A string. The sixth chord that I use also did not have a name. I couldn't really find it. I move these 2 fingers to the second fret on the C and E string, and I move my ring finger to the 4th fret on my A string, and I strum this chord. And then for the last 2 chords, I move my fingers back to the G major 7, strum, and the last and final chord, I lift my middle finger to the E minor 7 and strum, and the song is finished for the phrase that I sang. I hope this helps any of you out there that really want to play Stay With Me by Miki Matsubara. This is Abby in Japan, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!